Hello, today we're taking a look at Pal Linux, which aims to be like a replacement for people coming over from Mac OS. So as you can see, it's had like a lick of paint and custom icons there to make it look more familiar to what people would be used to on a Mac. It's built on top of LXDE and XFCE4, and this is the desktop image that they offer on their website. So you got your dock at the bottom here, and then you got your top bar here, and sort of shut down and log out icons there, network information there, but it's also here on your dock as well. And then you've got your application launcher here. I'd probably install the Whisker item menu just to make it a bit easier to launch your programs. So if we just have a look at what it comes installed with out of the box, so it's got bulk rename, catfish file search, which is like, I believe, their version of or something similar to Spotlight, what you find on the Mac. Docky is the program that they use for the dock at the bottom. So it's got two file managers. It's got that one and Funar, which has got the Mac look and theme. Slings Cold is their version of like Launchpad, if you like. So if you was to type in a program and hit enter, it should just launch it for you like that. What else have we got? So it comes with Virtualbox out of the box as well, which is very useful. Comes with Bible time. That's not one that I'm going to use anyway. Few games there: Mahjong, Solitaire, 2D chess. It comes with GIMP, which is good. I use GIMP. So your Chromium web browser, which has got like a Safari looking icon. Also comes with Opera, FileZilla, the FTP manager, Pigeon, Instant Messenger, Thunderbird Mail, and Transmission for your torrents. It's opted to go for WPS over LibreOffice. No. Close. So we'll leave that open as well. Where were we? So Gmail is probably just going to be a web link, that. Yeah. No, it's not loading it. So let's go back to Internet. Office, sorry. So Google Drive and the Google Calendar are all just going to be web apps. Comes with Audacity, Banshee, Brasero, Cheese, Clementine, VLC. So it comes with like a few programs that do kind of the same thing. So if I was to spend any time on this, I'd uninstall either Banshee or Clementine, probably Banshee, and stick with just the one player. System tools, BleachBit. Software manager, it uses the Linux Mint software center, I do believe. System monitor, I installed HTOP, and Compiz, desktop preferences. Okay, so then also you got your Workspace Switcher here, and if you just click 1, 2 and 3, you'll be able to go towards different workspaces. I had a little look at the wallpapers. I'm not too impressed with what it comes with. This is the default one that it is with. It kind of looks like, did anyone play that game on a PS3 that came with the console? It's like called PS3 Home or Sony Home or something, and it was like a virtual world where you could go into people's houses and stuff. It kind of looks like that. But a lot of the wallpapers are sort of funny resolutions, and they have like links of where they've come from and stuff. So if you can see down there and things like that, and the resolution just seems a bit blocky. But we'll go back to the one that we had when we started the video, which I do believe was that, or was it? I don't think it was it? I think it was that. No. That's the one what we was using. There we go. So visually it does look quite similar actually, and being built on top of LXDE and XFCE4, it's going to be sort of very low on resources and quite quick. So if we open up HTOP, as you can see, it's only got 357 megabytes usage out of 4 gig. what we do is we'll open up some programs and see how it handles multiple applications being opened, and see if we can notice any lag. So we'll just open up a load of everything at the moment. Chromium, 2D chess. So the chess is also a web app and it's not loading it. No. Okay, cool. There's a reason for that though. I remember on the Peppermint video I done recently, one of the developers of it explained why I think Google's changed not to automatically load Flash based things without permission or something, which is why that's not working on, I think. Can't remember 100%, but anyway. Right, and here's your file manager, again to look a lot like the macOS thing with the icons looking the same. Just quickly go onto the about and see what version we're using. 1.6.3, okay. So if we go back onto HTOP, so we're not even at a gig yet and we've got quite a lot of stuff open. Let's just open up a few YouTube tabs and just to sort of make it go a bit more. Okay. And then we'll just open up GIMP as well. Right, I think we should probably be at a gig now. 972, yeah, so basically at a gig. So it's handling it very well. I've not really noticed any lag. I don't like GIMP being in one window like that. I prefer it with the split into 3 windows. Yeah, so if we go like that, there we go, that's better. That's how I prefer it. So yeah, we're at just about a gig now. So if we jump into another workspace, let's just see what else we've got in the preferences and stuff. So I do believe you've got Perl Control Center. See, I did put it on a dark theme. The default is just the Perl OX theme, but it doesn't seem to really do anything. I tried restarting as well, but there we go. So then you can also mess around with the composition, you should, to make certain things transparent. Yeah, so Windows decorations, which is this part I do believe, there you go, and then we've made that transparent. So 20 is a bit much, so we'll have it on 60. Yeah, we'll leave that as that is. Yeah. So first impression wise, not a bad sort of replacement for macOS. I do think they need to sort out the wallpapers that it comes with, just for like a first impression thing. It doesn't give off the best vibe straight away. It looks a bit unfinished, and it's just quite a simple thing to fix. Other than that, not bad. I'll leave a link in the description below if anyone wants to download it and give it a spin. Other than that, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.